We are watching right now NIO. Look at the sales of the vehicles, completely insane over the last 6 months. The situation seems to be changing. Let's analyze it together. Remember to subscribe to TrainST right now. And Enrique is going to tell us more about these numbers.
Wow, very interesting numbers. Remember that we are approaching the 1st of March or 2nd of March, and according to data, they are going to release the sales of February during that day. So we will keep you updated. If you subscribe, you will see the video, the first one. And you look at the numbers, plus 18% in January 2025, and then 10%, 25, 50, 45, 60, 35, 90, 120, 92, 100 more or less, 50 something, and then 96 in January. So increasing, sometimes they go to lower pace, sometimes faster, but the thing is, year over year, they are increasing the percentages. And in the results with the net income, we have a very similar situation. Maybe it is related.
Well, it definitely it's related. We're talking about the EPS forecast that we have right here that is gonna be released very soon. It's gonna be the best earnings ever of the stock, nearly in profits. I mean, this is completely remarkable, and they are changing the situation. And for me, I gotta tell you guys, I'm very surprised because the situation was very dark, and we've been analyzing NIO for 3 or 4 years, if I'm not mistaken, Enrique. And this is the first time I see something different. The numbers are increasing, the net income is not positive, but it's going into that direction, and the forecasts are also good.
Yeah, we have to wait and see if the estimate is correlated with the reported, if it's the same or not. But if that happens, wow, that would be insane breaking news that we will update when it happens. And also we have, some comments from the previous video that we want to talk about them. And you can comment in this video and you will appear in the next one. Wow, that parallel channel and the volume tool, all eyes there, and the minute then. Wow, very interesting, because remember, from the price action perspective, if you take a look at the chart, you can see the volume being traded around these levels is completely insane. All the volume is there, all eyes on there, as you mentioned. And then the parallel channel being created. Which direction will it break? Very
Well,
interesting also.
Wow, this is a beautiful parallel channel, definitely. And right now we are trading in the middle of it. Then we have another comment from on 8 double 8 US and Sun WS. And NIO dropped from 60 to $60 to $5 per share, and that's a drop of 90%. That's for sure. But it's just things that we should be patient. It's a great company, and I gotta tell you guys, I saw the vehicles. We all know the type of vehicles they offer, and some of them are very, really beautiful vehicles. I gotta tell you.
Yeah, it's an interesting company for sure in the EV sector. Is the one that we like to talk about. We are not bearish, we are not bullish. We just state the information and we like to share it with you and see your opinions, as we saw with these two comments right here. But it's a company that has interesting things also with the battery swap technologies that we mentioned in previous videos also. And I like this approach. We wanted to talk about the sales. We will update it 1st March or 2nd when they release the results of the sale and the year-over-year percentage, if it has increased already or not. And you will see the update if you subscribe to Trading HD. And if you comment, you can appear in the next video. We like this section. We wanted to create this type of NIO section. We will analyze other stocks also. But if you are a NIO follower in both directions, let us know in the comments below. We want to know it.
And we're watching the forecast right now. We have 22 analysts from Wall Street covering this stock, and the average of them right now, they think the stock should go up more than 35%. And if we go to the analyst rating, this is even more interesting because there is only one strong sell. The rest of them, 25 analysts from Wall Street, they think it's a strong buy or hold.
Yeah, very interesting. More of them are in the strong buy situation, 11 in hold, which is strange because normally in stocks you tend to see like buyers or sellers, but being in the hold situation is rare. And in this case, we have that. And also with the annual forecast, you can see right there the situation that we mentioned, approaching that year 2028, almost entering into those profits. And the quarterly, the next one, almost entering into those profits according to this estimate. Will it happen? Will it not? Will the results of the year-over-year sales change, be better or worse? Will it affect the price? Will it break the channel? In which direction? Let us know everything in the comments below. Subscribe to Trading HD and check the video when we release it. Let's go.
Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye.